Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is show you this fruit splash effect in Adobe Photoshop, a really cool idea that you can use across many forms of graphic design. And trust me when I say a very simple step-by-step process you need to take and follow to create such an effect. Okay, so I'm just going to open up our layers window here. I'm going to select the two top layers and press backspace to remove. And as you can see already, I have the drip splash layer available for me, and I have the strawberry layer also available for me as well. Just going to turn off the water splash layer there, and to the strawberry layer, I'm going to add a layer mask to it. I'm going to come to this icon here and add a layer mask. And with my brush tool, making sure that my foreground color is black, I'm just going to remove this section here of the strawberry. Wonderful. Now let's bring back our water splash layer there, like so. And what we're going to do is make this fit within the strawberry a little bit better. So we're going to press Command T on, this layer here, press Command T, right click and warp. And I'm just going to warp the drips just so it looks like it's coming out of the strawberry there, like so. Wonderful, wonderful stuff. Okay, so I'm going to add a layer mask to that layer as well. And using the same brush with the foreground color as black, I'm just going to come through and remove this section here like so. There we go. Wonderful. Really start coming to life now. Now what we need to do is start getting the coloring sorted out. So I'm going to add a hue and saturation adjustment layer. Make sure that I click colorize. And what we're going to do now is make sure that I have a clipping mask icon activated. And what you need to do now is start manipulating with the saturation just so you can get the coloring correct. Let's say around there will do. Fantastic. I'm happy with that. Now let's bring our layers open. I'm going to select all three layers here. Come into our bottom strawberry layer, press Shift, and it selects them all. And now I want to place these in a group. The keyboard shortcut to do that on Photoshop is Command G on Mac or Control G on Windows. And I'm going to press Command T on that group and just give it a little bit of a rotation, like so. I'll just move that over there. Wonderful. And now what I'm going to do is duplicate this whole group by pressing the shortcut Option on Mac or Alt on Windows. Let's just press Command Z to go back there. Just need to change this to group up here. And now we're going to press that shortcut Option on Mac or Alt on Windows to duplicate. Let's press Command T. I'm going to go right click on there, flip it horizontal. And using the keyboard shortcut Option on Mac or Alt on Windows, I'm just going to resize from the center point there, like so. And yet again, give that a little bit of a rotation there and just move it to a point like so. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create that fruit splash effect in Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.